how I feel about this.
All right, guys, one of the most classic cocktails out there is the Mojito, but I wonder, does it Corona?
All right, guys, to make a Mojito, you're going to use some mint leaves, and I like to use, I don't know, between 5 or 10 of these bad boys. Just pick them off the stem and drop them on in there. Put in a little bit of simple syrup. We're going to put in about 3/4 of an ounce. Now, if you want to use granulated sugar here, you're more than welcome to. It actually works out quite well also to use granulated sugar. But I'm lazy, so I'll use simple syrup. Perfect pour. And lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce. There we go. Now grab a muddler. And what you don't want to do here is you don't want to pulverize this mint. Really, you just want to take the mint and push into it. Let the teeth of the muddler push into the mint. Next, we're going to throw in a couple of dashes of bitters. And I always make a mess when I do that. And 1.5 ounces of rum. Now, normally people use white rum on mojitos, but I like my mojitos with a little bit of dark rum, so I'm going to use Island Bird's premium rum, 1.5 ounces. This is really good rum, you guys. And a mojito comes out real nice. 1.5 ounces. Again, traditionally, it's white rum, not dark rum. The perfect pour. Grab up some ice cubes. There we go. And stir. Now you want to get this nice and cold. Yeah, the beer is cold, but you want to make sure the liquor going in is also cold. Now once you think you've stirred it enough, set it to the side and grab yourself a Corona and pop that bad boy open. Now we have to make this fit in here. So we're going to drink it down to about the C in the label, if I can stop myself. Good. Now grab yourself a funnel and a bar strainer and strain the goodies into your Corona. And there you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, last but not least, we're going to add in 1 ounce or 2, depending on what we can hold, club soda. Now, we use SodaStream because we're boozers on a budget. We can't afford all those club soda. So, of course, it's a mojito, so you need mint and some lime. All right, guys, there you go. The Corona Mojito. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. How the hell do mint and beer go together? Like, seriously, how the hell does that work? I did not think this was going to taste good at all. It's not bad. It's not great either. Does it Corona? I'm going to say no, but it was a fun experiment.